If I die young, write my mother, tell her that I love her, but my soul's gone home. Take my vessel to Anderson County, drive real slow, take the long way home. Yeah. Tell my kin to pick up a shovel, wrestle that sugar sand and bury my bones, bury my bones beneath these pines. When it comes time, bury my bones. Don't throw me no funeral, sister, don't cry. I saw that fiddle brother pass that shine. Down in the hollow, pick the tallest pine, dig it real deep where the roots touch mine. Cross the Red River where it opens wide, where the heroine sails to the Choctaw side. Follow my blood to a silver stone, burn my body, bury my bones.